Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the class 12 accountancy financial statement analysis. This belongs to the part B unit 4. And now today I will tell you about the concept of analysis means financial statement analysis and the significance of this analysis. Now you may see here the concept of the financial statement analysis. The financial statement word is referring to the income statement and the position statement. Now the turn is moving toward analysis the income statement and the position statement. Financial statement analysis is basically a study of the relationships between the financial facts and figure as given in financial statements. So what does it mean the financial statement? It refers to the final account. And the final account means trading accounts, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. It means these are prepared first and then the interpretations thereof to gain the sighting into the profitability, operational efficiency of the business to assess its financial strength and weakness and to take the future prospects decision. So I think the analysis part, the main object is to make the data simpler and second is classifying the data into the convenient and the rational approach and then to make it in the form of comparison with the internal aspect of the business as well as to the external aspect of the business. Now you may see the financial analysis is divided into the two parts. One is the analysis and second is the interpretations. Analysis means simplifications of the financial data by the methodological classifications given in the financial statement. So what does it mean? Means by using the process, complete process of the recordings to preparing of the final account. And then the interpretations means to make this financial statement into the significance manner means the decisional level and evaluating manners called as interpretations. So now the we can say the financial statements are the two complementary words. One is analysis and second is the interpretation. Analysis is useful without interventions and useless as well as the interpretation is useless without analysis. So the both are required to make it worthful. Now I am moving to the significances of the analysis. Analysis generally we can divide into the different kind of types. Out of this table, the significance is referring to the external analysis and the internal analysis. External analysis means the analysis is made by the parties those who are linked with the outside the business concern. So the next one is related with the internal sources means the parties those who are using this data within the organization. So that means this is the significance for the both may be related with the external or maybe the internal. So this analysis provide the data to the different users. First, you may see here the financial manager of the business concern. The main focus on the financial analysis to find out the facts and the relationship between the different managerial positions to find out their performance as well as the efficiency and the financial strength and the weakness on and the credit power of the company called as credit worthiness. And now the next one is referring to top management and the top management is referring to internal users of the organization. That means it is helpful to measure the success of the business operational work and then the evaluations of the individual performance as well as group performance and on that basis then the top management can evaluate the and maintain the internal control system. Third one is trade payables referring to creditors and that means this is outside external source. And now to know the creditors and the bill payables total called as trade payables. So that means the trade payables want to know the firm's abilities to meet their claims, and the claim word is referring to the principal as well as their interest payable on the principal amount over the short period of time. And now the lenders want to know the interest capability of the organization to pay back as well as the principal's amount to pay back, and the relationship between the different other resources of the funds arranged by the organization. And then the investors, those who are investing the money in the form of capitals, that means want to know, they have the interest to calculate the influences of the business earning power and the risk associated to the business, and they, on that basis, they decide to whether to purchase the security of the organization or to sell the security of the organization or to hold the security for few times. Now the labor unions, and the labor unions means they helpful to the labor union, and this is helpful to the labor union to find out the wages and bonus to called as increase demand of the increase, as well as this also helpful to the top management to make the wages structure. And the others what is referring to, the other party are also associated to know the financial statement, those who are not to be linked with the financial manager, top management. Trade payables means not associated with the organization, but now maybe in futures can be the part of. So that means they also want to know the economic conditions of the business organization. And like the example is the government agencies want to know the tax liabilities, and the other competitors want to know about the positions of the similar nature of business. So these are coming to evaluating the analysis of the financial statement. Thank you.